Well, we opened here in November of 1990. I worked as an associate doctor at Dr. Bill Cook's office in Shelby for a year. He kind of taught me the basics of kind of marketing and management type thing, because when I got out of school, I didn't know how that worked. It's just, being a good chiropractor is adjusting, but if you can't take care of patients, you can't help people out. So I learned how to market. So we took those skills into our practice, and we just basically started advertising a lot in the area. That's how we got our first patients, and we started growing from there and got tons of referrals by making people got to getting them healthy, which is the most important part, but building relationships. Because I really know that I was taught in chiropractic college. We had a Dr. Gary Street came there. He said, if you treat every patient like your mother, sister, father, brother, you can't go wrong. So I treat every patient in our office like family, and that I think people can sense your sincerity. So with that and good adjusting, I think that's how my practice really grew. Is we just kind of started from advertising, worked off referrals. We have 3 doctors in my clinic: myself, Dr. Marco Pace, and Dr. Bradley Sabo, and we've got 5 other CAs help out. We have a couple front desk girls, and we have some other gals that help out with new patient advocates and runners, whatnot, for our practice, and an insurance biller, of course. My first years in practice, I would advertise. I would get 15 new patients a month off advertising. But I haven't advertised in the past 10 years because advertising, I don't get that, because now there's a lot more sources out. There's a lot more magazines, a lot more papers, internet, email. Those things have really, I think, softened the effects of advertising. The only thing we advertise now is a local small phone book, which is a local Lake Orion book. That seems to be productive. As is some of the, we advertise on our website, of course, and that gets maybe 1 or 2 people a month. But our main source of people in our office is referrals. 85% of our practice is off referrals. So without the referrals, we wouldn't do well. But we just want to promote a good message to our patients, treat them like family, and they refer the office. But as far as advertising, I haven't found anything that really has worked well in the past 10 years. So I've stopped advertising, as a matter of fact. That's why I've chosen to Get Healthy now, because I figured that's my advertising budget. I want to do something that I can promote wellness with. That's my mission. And I can see a big picture with getting a lot more good qualified patients out of Get Healthy Michigan versus just advertising sources. They're looking for a free thing. We don't want those patients aren't the best type of long-term patient. They're looking for something free and maybe not return. From the first time I met yourself at Get Healthy Michigan, I saw the big picture of how this could really make a difference. Because my whole goal has been in the past 5 years. I've been in practice 20 years now, and I'm kind of we're in the growth stage still. But I wanted to somehow give back to the community to try and promote wellness in our community, and I couldn't do it by myself, 1 person at a time. We're trying, we're doing a good job, but with the Healthy Michigan campaign, I can see how I can reach a lot more people much more quickly to make that more effective. And I'm excited because I know we can make a better change in our community, because I've gotten a lot of blessings from our community, and I would like to give back. And I know you can't give back to the community and not get back. So I'm looking forward to that. But I think Get Healthy Michigan, I see the big picture of it, how it's going to really make a change for Lake Orion, of course, and eventually the whole state of Michigan. Because when we get all these doctors fired up and excited about Get Healthy Michigan, it can't not make a change in our health here in Michigan. I'm really honored and glad I was able to be selected as a Get Healthy Michigan Wellness Center. It's nice because I can see the whole goal is to really brand chiropractic, not brand my office. So by branding chiropractic into wellness, we're going to make everybody better who are Get Healthy Michigan members, better offices, better wellness centers, and change perception of chiropractors from back and neck pain, which I can't stand, and most chiropractors aren't in that either. They want to be wellness doctors, and we are wellness doctors. It's just that we aren't getting that message out to people. So I think by having this Get Healthy brand, it's going to make a huge difference for chiropractic in Michigan, and eventually, I'm sure, nationwide. So it's pretty excited about that. Really importantly, as part of being committed to Get Healthy Michigan campaign, it's basically a branding effort. So it's important to have everybody have the same exact branding items, which are the window decals, which makes a huge difference. It's a presence in your community. People can recognize you as a wellness center. The banners is important because, one, it looks very professional. People ask questions. What is this all about? And it's a good kind of entry into explaining Get Healthy Michigan to patients coming to the office. And when people come off the streets who aren't patients who are coming off the Get Healthy Michigan campaign, they'll know they're in the right place. We also, every Monday and Tuesday, we've committed our office to being Get Healthy Michigan Day. And we all wear our Get Healthy Michigan shirts, which patients love them. They always comment on the nice color because it's a nice, vibrant color. But our whole staff wears it. With our staff being in uniform, it also entices patients to want to ask questions about what the program is. But yeah, the window decals and all the signage are really vital to the branding of the Get Healthy Michigan campaign. We're very fortunate to have a very high unique active patient base in our practice. Over the past 22 years, we've accumulated a lot of new patients, of course. But looking at our stats, though, our referral index was lower than I'd like it to be. So our goal is to raise that index by by getting more patients in the office, by using the Gift of Health program. In our Gift of Health package here, our alliance partners have offered gift certificates. Okay, our office provides a initial computer analysis and chiropractic evaluation. Powerhouse Gym has provided a $100 gift certificate for 1 month membership at their facility. Next one here, we have Lucky's Health Food. They provided a $10 gift certificate for initial purchase of vitamins in their facility there. And then, of course, Italia Gardens also provided a $10 gift card towards a restaurant, which this will entice people, patients, and community members to go and use these gift cards to have great savings and of course, become Get Healthy Michigan Rewards members. One of your most valuable assets for the Get Healthy Michigan program is having a strong CAP group, the Community Alliance Partners. And I am lucky to have 3 really strong partners. We have the Powerhouse Gym, Lucky's Health Food Store, Italia Gardens, and myself, of course. Okay, but that is very important because we're actually working as a team versus individuals. So when we talk about Get Healthy Michigan, we're talking about Get Healthy Michigan, Lake Orion. We're actually a team. We work together as a group. We're meeting monthly. We've chosen to meet after our dinner talks, so we've got time to meet together and discuss better ideas, how to better improve our program for the following months. But having a strong CAP group is probably the most important part you can have to have a successful program in launching your awareness. Once you have a good, strong, established CAP group, the next goal is to get more members, community members, part of your Get Healthy Michigan Center. And to do that, the best way is you want to get to 1,000 members ideally. Once you have 1,000 members, it makes it a lot easier to make that Get Healthy Talk really explode. The ways we can do that, in addition to the Get Healthy Talk, are the Get Healthy Trails and then the Get Healthy Day, which is going to be a huge event that will promote wellness throughout your whole community. One of the most exciting parts of the Get Healthy program, in my opinion, is the Get Healthy Dinner Talks. We hosted one. We had 40 guests in attendance, and it was a phenomenal event. Everybody there was excited about it and fired up about the wellness approach. And the whole talk is really geared towards teaching our community people about wellness. And what better person to do that than a chiropractor, since we are wellness experts. As a matter of fact, with my first talk I gave, I was so excited I couldn't even fall asleep till midnight that night. And after having patients who had been to the talk come for visits the following week there, they all were ecstatic about the talk. They thought it was a great talk, and they're excited about it and looking forward to it for friends. But really importantly is having my CAP members referring non-patients to the dinner talk provides a better way of reaching out to the community of people that wouldn't be able to reach without the help of somebody else. It was really good to have my Powerhouse Gym, our wellness, our fitness center there, to give a small presentation about their facility and how great this fits with their scheme of wellness. Ed and Monica, the restaurant owners of Italia Gardens, were there, and they were very excited about it, and they were very appreciative of having increasing their business for that night, of course, and we were grateful for having a great, healthy meal there. It was nice to have a good, healthy meal. So after our dinner talk, we're having our CAP group meetings right there at the restaurant. So we're all there together. We've had dinner ready. We're all excited about the past month's events, and we find a good time to train our CAP group members on what we can do to improve for the following months to come to make each event more successful. After having some successful talks, our next goal is to get the Get Healthy Trails involved here in Lake Orion. And I know that our fitness center is looking forward to sponsoring that event and making it happen here in Lake Orion. And we're going to try to make that event be successful. And the ultimate goal is with the Get Healthy Trails is to get more referrals into the Get Healthy Michigan program and having more clients being able to access our database. After getting our Get Healthy Trails established, our next goal we'd want to be is to definitely get a Get Healthy Day in Lake Orion, because that'll make a huge difference for our community. Not only make it more fun and active, but broaden the presence of Get Healthy Michigan throughout our community for sure. And that'll be a great event to be able to sponsor in our community. So that's our next goal after the trails. So one key aspect to having your Get Healthy program successful at your wellness center is to have team trainings with your personal office staff. It's really important, because if they're not on board, it's not going to happen as anything else. Obviously we're a teamwork. So we have weekly training sessions at our office. There's all kinds of videos on YouTube and videos that we can use that are provided by Get Healthy Now Michigan campaign that really helps us train our team and get them solid in knowing the importance of Get Healthy Michigan. Because if they're not on board, it's not going to be successful. Basically, I'm really excited about the Get Healthy Michigan program, and I'm all in the basis of I'm dedicated, committed toward making it happen. And fortunately, Get Healthy Michigan has a great system to follow. They have a cookbook type format. If you follow that system, it's going to work. It cannot work. It's up to your commitment level and your input into that system to make it work and make it happen for yourself. Get healthy, Michigan.